Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH720N. I'm going to show you how to turn these on, turn it off, put it in pairing mode, and how to factory reset. So first thing is the left ear, you have a power button here, okay? To turn it on, you want to press and hold for a few seconds till the light turns on, and you also hear like the wake up chime, okay? As soon as I put it on, I get a bunch of flashing here. The blue light is flashing rapidly. That's because it's trying to connect to a different device that I have, okay? So let's just say you connected to a different device. It's already connected, but you want to connect to like a different, something else, maybe your other phone or whatnot, or your other iPad. So let me just turn these off, turn it off first. Just press and hold the power button for a few seconds till the light turns on, and then let go. And then you also hear the turn off chime too, all right? So now it's off. Now, remember when I turned it on, it automatically tried to connect to my other phone. So let me turn it on, and I'm going to continue to hold the power button this time so we can put it in a pairing mode to connect to a different device, all right? So I'm going to press and hold again. Just keep on holding now. I'm not going to let go. It's on, and now it says it's in pairing mode. Okay, now you know it's in pairing mode when it blinks 2 times blue, 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 blue. Okay, so it's in pairing mode. Now let's say that you have issues connecting still, or one side's working, the other side has low volume or whatnot. Let's factory reset these now, okay? So it's currently on, it's in pairing mode. Let's just turn it off. We're gonna press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Just wait till the light turns on there, or you can just keep holding it until it turns off by itself, okay? So now that it's off. Now let's go ahead and factory reset these, okay? How you do that is 2 key combinations, the power button, and it's the middle button here between the volume up and volume down, this middle button here. We want to, while the headphones are off, we want to press and hold both buttons and keep on holding till we see it flash 4 times blue here consecutively, okay? So power button, this middle button, ready, set, go. Press and hold both buttons, keep on holding, usually for like maybe 7 to 10 seconds, but just keep holding here till we see the flash like 4 times blue. There it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now let go. And now we just factory reset these, and it's also turned off, okay? So now that it's factory reset, now if we press and hold, if we turn it back on, press and hold the power button for a couple seconds, let the light turn on. And now it's in pairing mode, blink, blink, blue, 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 blue. Okay, I hope you guys understand what's going on. Any questions or issues, just comment below. All right, good luck, guys.